Have you heard about diamond painting? It's a fun and easy craft that anyone can do. It's like coloring with tiny diamonds. You get to create beautiful, sparkling pictures. Diamond painting is relaxing and creative. It's a great way to unwind after a long day. You can let your worries go and focus on making something beautiful. Diamond paintings come in all sorts of designs. You can find animals, flowers, landscapes, and more. There are even designs for kids. The best part is, when you're finished, you'll have a dazzling piece of art to display. It's so rewarding to see your picture come together. Each diamond you place adds to the beauty of the design. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment when you finish your masterpiece. When you open a diamond painting kit, you'll find everything you need to get started. You'll get a canvas, diamonds, a tray, a pen tool, and a piece of wax. The canvas is printed with a sticky chart. Each symbol on the chart corresponds to a color of diamond. The tray is used to hold the diamonds while you work. The pen tool picks up the diamonds and places them on the canvas. The wax helps the pen pick up the diamonds. To start diamond painting, choose a color of diamond to begin with. Pour a small amount of the diamonds into the tray. Gently shake the tray to help the diamonds settle with the flat side facing up. Dip the pen tool into the wax. This will help the pen pick up the diamonds. Then, use the pen to pick up a diamond and place it on its matching symbol on the canvas. Repeat this process until you have filled in all the symbols with diamonds. Section 5. Oops! Easy fixes for little glitches. Don't worry if you make a mistake while diamond painting. It happens to everyone. If you place a diamond in the wrong spot, you can use the pen tool to gently lift it off the canvas. If the diamond is stuck, you can use a pair of tweezers to carefully remove it. Once you have removed the misplaced diamond, you can place the correct diamond in its spot. Keep it clean, keep it shiny. To keep your diamond painting clean and shiny, it's a good idea to work on one section at a time. This method not only helps in maintaining the cleanliness of your canvas, but also ensures that you can focus on the details of each section without feeling overwhelmed. By concentrating on smaller areas, you can achieve a more precise and polished result. Additionally, working on one section at a time allows you to take breaks without worrying about the entire canvas being exposed to dust or dirt. Peel back a small portion of the plastic film that covers the canvas. This step is crucial because it minimizes the exposure of the adhesive surface to the environment. The adhesive is what holds the diamonds in place, and any contamination can affect its stickiness. By peeling back only a small section, you ensure that the rest of the canvas remains protected. This method also helps in keeping the adhesive fresh and effective for a longer period. This will prevent dust and dirt from getting on the sticky surface. Dust and dirt particles can be quite detrimental to your diamond painting project. They can stick to the adhesive and make it less effective, causing the diamonds to fall off over time. Moreover, these particles can also create bumps and uneven surfaces, which can ruin the overall look of your artwork. Therefore, keeping the adhesive surface clean is essential for a flawless finish. You can also use a sheet of paper or mask tape to cover the areas of the canvas that you are not working on. This additional layer of protection ensures that no dust or dirt settles on the exposed adhesive. It also prevents accidental spills or smudges that can occur while you are working on other sections. Using a clean sheet of paper is a simple yet effective way to maintain the integrity of your diamond painting. This will help to protect your diamond painting and keep it looking its best. A well-maintained diamond painting not only looks beautiful, but also lasts longer. The effort you put into keeping it clean and shiny will pay off when you see the final result. The diamonds will sparkle more brilliantly, and the overall appearance will be more professional. So take the time to follow these steps, and you'll be rewarded with a stunning piece of art that you can be proud of. Diamond painting, your moment of zen. Diamond painting is a wonderful way to relax and de-stress. This unique art form combines the precision of cross-stitch with the sparkle of rhinestones, creating a dazzling masterpiece one diamond at a time. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, diamond painting offers a creative outlet that is both satisfying and therapeutic. The repetitive motion of placing the diamonds can be very calming and meditative. Each tiny diamond you place on the canvas brings you one step closer to completing your artwork, and the rhythmic action can help to clear your mind. It's a simple yet effective way to practice mindfulness, allowing you to focus solely on the task at hand and forget about the stresses of daily life. As you focus on your painting, you can let go of your worries and simply enjoy the moment. The process of creating something beautiful can be incredibly rewarding, and seeing your progress unfold before your eyes can give you a sense of accomplishment. It's a wonderful way to take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in a peaceful, creative activity. Find a comfortable spot, put on some relaxing music, and let yourself get lost in the world of diamond painting. Creating the perfect environment can enhance your experience, making it even more enjoyable. Soft lighting, a cozy chair, and your favorite tunes can set the mood for a truly relaxing session. You might even find that the time flies by as you become absorbed in your work. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and more relaxed you feel after just a few minutes of diamond painting. The sense of tranquility and satisfaction that comes from completing a section of your artwork can be incredibly uplifting. It's a simple yet powerful way to practice self-care, giving you a chance to unwind and recharge. So take a moment for yourself, pick up your diamond painting tools, and discover the joy and serenity that this wonderful hobby can bring. Tips for sparkling success. Diamond painting is a delightful and rewarding hobby that combines creativity with a touch of sparkle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there are always new tips and tricks to enhance your experience and make your artwork shine even brighter. Here are a few more tips to help you have a successful and enjoyable diamond painting experience. Use good lighting. Proper lighting is crucial for any detailed work, and diamond painting is no exception. A bright desk lamp or an overhead light can make a world of difference. Good lighting will make it easier to see the symbols on the canvas and place the diamonds accurately. This not only helps in reducing eye strain, but also ensures that your diamonds are placed precisely where they need to be. Take breaks. It's important to give your eyes and hands a rest. If you start to feel tired or frustrated, take a break from your diamond painting. Stepping away for a few minutes can help you return to your project with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. Remember, this is supposed to be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Get up and move around or do something else relaxing. Engaging in a different activity, like taking a short walk, doing some light stretching, or even practicing yoga or meditation, can help rejuvenate your mind and body. This way, you can come back to your diamond painting feeling refreshed and ready to continue. Have fun. Diamond painting is a hobby, so make sure you're enjoying yourself. The process of placing each diamond should be a joyful and satisfying experience. Don't stress about perfection. Instead, focus on the pleasure of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Don't worry about making mistakes, and just relax and enjoy the process. Mistakes can be easily fixed, and they are a natural part of any creative endeavor. Embrace them as part of your learning journey. The most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Happy diamond painting! Welcome to the world of diamond painting. Diamond painting is a fun, relaxing, and rewarding hobby that anyone can enjoy. With a little patience and practice, you'll be creating beautiful, sparkling masterpieces in no time. So gather your supplies and get ready to discover the joy of diamond painting. Like, subscribe, and share. Visit mirthfultsensips.com and get all diamond painting kits 25% off.